Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the clutch and clutch cable on the Vauxhall Nova, the Supernova. We've got my boy the Sensei helping me out, and Dave's going to be there too. Anyway, thanks for watching. So we got the car in. We could smell something a bit petrol-y, but we thought it was just like it being on the choke or because it was cold. So we got the car up in the air and removed the 4 bolts from the clutch plate cover, as you can see there. There's the lovely clutch. Got my glamorous assistant to put their foot on the clutch and installed the 3 clips to hold the clutch plate. As you can see, we removed the gearbox earth strap and the cover, and they had 11 and 13 millimeter bolts. Then we removed the circlip for the multi-spline bolt from the clutch shaft. Didn't have the shaft puller, so we ended up using the clutch cable, the new clutch cable, which is always a fun idea. Thought I'd just give you a quick tour of the underside. We removed 6 clutch plate bolts and dropped the clutch out. We removed the old release bearing, but we had to remove the 13mm bolts from the release fork because it was the wrong bearing, and we needed to get a different bearing kit for it. Here you can see us using the bearing press to push down the clutch just enough so we can get the clips on there so we can fit it up into the clutch position on the Nova. New fancy clutch ready to go in the hole. It's going in the hole now, as you can see. Lovely. So we've refit all the bolts, as you can see there. We've marked them so they went in the correct positions, and we just turned them to make sure that all the bolts have been done up, and there's yellow mark just so we know we've done it. So it's all fine and dandy, so there shouldn't be any issues at all. Then we remove the clamping clips from it. So then we refitted the spline bolts. The clutch shaft was getting a bit of drift, so we refitted the circlip and got it all ready and round to go. We refitted the gearbox end case with new gasket with some sealer, and yeah, looked all okay to me. We allowed the sealant to cure, and we topped up the gearbox oil and this is us just fitting the clutch cable now. Got it adjusted until the clutch pedal height was correct and raring to go. Now we found a fuel leak, so we had to get a new inline fuel filter for it, because it was leaking from there, that fuel filter right there. I don't know, it might have been on. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We've done the clutch and we've done the clutch cable for the Nova, so that's all good and fine and dandy. So hopefully you found this video interesting. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.